Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last class, we have discussed about password changing alert from Azure Active Directory. So today we are going forward. We are going to see high alert in Azure Active Directory. Let's quickly open our demo lab. So here, this is our lab. So any user who is visiting for first time to our channel, if you wanted to access this lab, we have kept our link in the description so that you people can directly access the lab from there itself. Okay. So in the last class, we are in Azure Alerts. So we have completed password detected by Azure Active Directory. Okay. This one is done. So first one successfully completed. Today it is second one. Remove delegated permission grant in Office 365. What exactly is this? It is an Office 365 related alert. This alert detects when a delegated permission grant is removed from an account Office 365. Okay, we'll discuss about this thing. So what we can discuss here is we are having permissions. We are not an admin, for example. Okay. So I'm a user. Admin will give only Outlook, Teams, Excel, and Word, SharePoint. One fine day, admin wants to remove permission of SharePoint. So the admin will remove my SharePoint permissions from the settings and he will save that settings or save that user details. From there, we will get an alert regarding delegated permission removed. I mean, removed delegated permission grant. Admin has removed permissions on some X related things. Okay, let's study about the rule in detail. So, title is Remove Delegate Permission Turn On. Office 365, it was written by admin, detects delegated permissions removed from the account Office 365. Selection 1 and selection 2. We need two selections in between and 1 and 2 matches, then the output will alert. Okay, what is first one? In the event action, first one, event action, remove delegated permission grant. Along with that, outcome success. Outcome success. What is this exactly? A user's account has been removed some application permissions successfully. At this time, this alert will be triggered. Okay. Now, this is an high alert authentication related. Okay. What we can analyze from the data. In the data, we got event action and outcome. If these two are there, we are going to get an alert. Successfully, the The alert was triggered truly. It was not triggered on different basis. And event category is web-based. It is done in the web, Azure Active Directory only. It is Office 365 and vendor is Microsoft Azure. This is the user's email and ID. Both are same at test@dhc.com. Okay. What type of permissions user has removed? We need to check with this. For this test user, admin has removed dot graph, canary graph. These type of permissions has been removed by admin. Scenario 1, admin has removed. Scenario 2, if their admin hasn't removed that, it is a true positive. Let me clear and I'll clearly write scenario 1, admin. If admin mm, done from his end, it is a false positive. If in the second case, admin hasn't done this activity, it is a true positive. In the false positive, we will directly reach to the admin through email or ticket or chat. Okay. In the true positive case, we will disable the user account. After that, we will investigate what exactly happened through logs, who has done that. After finding the thing, we will re-enable user account and recommend him for strong password with multi-factor authentication. Okay, this is how the investigation has been done. And what are these links? Okay, we need to check from the Google. So let me see what are these. The graph and what else? Graph in Microsoft. Oh, 365. So from here, you need to analyze what exactly Graph does. Graph is an API that connects different types of applications to give access to a particular user. If we see here, Microsoft Graph is connect with different devices, people, meetings, calendar, files, groups, teams, tasks, chats, insights, coworkers, user. For a single user, for a single user, Microsoft Graph is going to connect with different types of applications. Okay, this is exactly graph is. So how the graph works. Okay, this is how we can see graph permissions related. On what basis the graph permissions removed, we need to check from the logs. Okay, now we will dismiss this alert. On the or investigation, we have found that, or I have found that you admin removed user permissions in the Azure Active Directory. Got confirmation from admin department, so that you can give a reference ticket number. So this is the ticket we got reference, so that you can, if someone else manager or someone wants to check this thing, they'll directly reference to the ticket. So they'll check that this is the mail chain has been, or chat chain was happened in the ticket. So department has confirmed that they have done legitimately activity. This is how we can check this alert. Okay. So today we have completed our second alert. If anyone have any type of doubt, you can directly post a comment in the comment section, or you can directly ask through our group. Okay. Thanks for joining, guys. Please support us and please share our channel to the members who wanted to learn cybersecurity eagerly in the SOC analyst. And also subscribe, like, and share our channel. Thanks for joining once again. Signing off, Black Hat Commando.